How to change brightness on LG TV. First of all, get your LG TV remote control, then press the settings button, or however which way you get to settings, get to here, then scroll down on the settings menu to click on all settings, where you want to click on the OK middle button on your controller there. Then in this settings menu, you want to scroll to the right on the picture menu here, then you should see where it says picture mode settings. Go ahead and click on the middle OK button there. Then you should see below here, you've got a few different options. You want to scroll down, obviously, to brightness, then click on the middle OK button once you're in the brightness section there. There you can move it either right to turn up the brightness or to the left to turn down the brightness. So you can change the brightness settings within this menu here. There are also a few different other things you can do. If you can go back into the other Eco Picture settings, you'll be able to adjust different settings such as the different forms of contrast. It's all done within here. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.